In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share editable Canva files, whether you're working on a collaborative project or simply want to share your design for feedback. Understanding how to do this efficiently can save you time and enhance your team's productivity. So let's dive right in and explore how to easily share your Canva masterpieces. First things first, you need to open your Canva design. Once you have your design ready and you're satisfied with how it looks, look for the Share button. This is typically located at the top right corner of your Canva screen. Clicking on this button takes you to the sharing options. It opens up a new window where you see various sharing settings. Here, Canva offers a plethora of options for sharing your design with others, from sending via email to generating a link for wider access. Next, you'll want to decide who will be receiving your design. In the sharing window, you will see a field where you can type in an email address. Focus on entering the email address of the person you want to share your design with. Make sure you double check the email address to avoid sending your file to the wrong person. Now, as you enter the email address, you'll notice that the permission setting next to it is already set to edit. This is ideal because it allows the recipient to make changes directly to the design file. This edit permission is quite crucial when you're aiming for a collaborative effort, ensuring that everyone you've shared the design with can tweak and refine it as necessary. Once the email and permissions are set accordingly, it's time to finalize the process by clicking the Share button again. This will send out an invitation to your recipient, granting them access to the editable design. This final click is what confirms everything. So it's important to make sure that all your details are correct before proceeding. In a nutshell, sharing an editable Canva file is a straightforward task with just a few simple steps. From clicking on Share to entering the email recipient and setting permissions, it's designed to be user-friendly. Plus, by keeping the permission settings on Edit, you can ensure a collaborative workflow with your colleagues or clients. Hopefully, these steps make your design sharing process smoother and more efficient. That wraps up today's guide. I hope you now feel more confident about sharing your Canva designs in an editable format. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more easy to follow tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.